Installation of recessed reveal face mounting system. WPS System products deliver higher standards in selection, beauty and performance. No other company can match WPS interior system portfolio of products. With all our interior systems we offer freedom of choice to our customer to experiment with style, color and texture. The freedom to be creative, to mix and match and think beyond just four walls. Our customers will appreciate that we are providing them with the products and expertise to achieve their vision, no matter what your vision may be. Higher standards mean focusing our extensive industry experience to help you navigate the challenging construction market. We pledge to support you with educational, installation opportunities. Tools recommended are 1 7¼ power circular saw or skill saw, 1 power router 1/2" shank for 45° and curves, 1 power trimmer router 1/4" collets for ease edges, 1 10" sliding compound miter saw for cutting trims, 6" by 10 feet straight edge, 1 small self-leveling line laser, horizontal and vertical, 18-volt cordless impact driver, 18-volt cordless drill driver, 2 number of 8" wood suction cup for material handling, pair of sawhorse table. Set up cutting table or workstations in well-ventilated outdoor areas so that any generated dust is carried safely away from workers. If any area with adequate ventilation is not available, an IOSH-approved respirator should be used. To carry a large panel solo, a person should hold it on edge in the middle with arms spread apart for maximum support of the product. Lifting or carrying large panel or trim in a flat orientation may break or bend the product. WPS recommends that 2 people always carry panel products. Workers should hold the panel near each end and on edge. Because of reduced visibility when handling panel products, take extra care to avoid damaging the corners and edges of the panel as well as items and finishes around the work. When cleaning up dust and debris from cutting wood or phenolic material, never use a broom or brush if the debris material is dry. Sweeping dry material may send dust particles into the worker's breathing area. Instead, wet down the debris with a fine mist to suppress dust during sweeping or use a vacuum. Waste pieces of wood or phenolic material can be disposed of in normal waste containers. Upon arrival of your order, inventory and inspect each panel and all accessories. If there are any signs of damage, note the bill of lading for the time of delivery and document the damage. Failure to do so can make it difficult to file a freight claim. Send a list of damaged materials to WPS and contact your WPS representative for further instructions. It is crucial that damaged panels, accessories, or packaging be reported to WPS as soon as they are discovered. WPS panels should be transported using WPS standard pallets or crates. Baling bands are to be removed upon delivery. Lift the panels from each stack individually, taking care not to scratch or damage any adjacent panels when removing panels from the stack. Panels can be stored horizontally on a flat surface free of debris, or kept on pallets or crates with supports at 12 inches on center, or less. All horizontal surfaces, including panels and pallets, should be covered with a clean membrane or board to protect the panels from damage. Panels need to be stored in an area that is well covered from the elements, cool, ventilated, and dry. These products must be kept covered on a pallet off of the ground. Begin installation by verifying walls, corners, floor and ceiling are level and plumb. Install base edge mounting relay LT, RRS 604-1. Fasten to steel or wooden studs, concrete, masonry or brick walls. Install the Edge Mounting Rail FM, RRS602. Install inside corner trim. Inside corner trim for 5/16 up to 1¼ inch panel. Install outside corner trim. Outside corner trim for 5/16 up to 1¼ inch panel. Outside corner open. Outside corner option. Outside corner miter. Add silicone before installation of aluminium spline joint. Installation of aluminium spline joint. Install vertical edge trim FM RRS602. Vertical edge trim for 5/16 up to 1¼ inch panel. Inside corner trim for 5/16 up to 1¼ inch panel. Outside corner trim for 5/16 up to 1¼ inch panel. Vertical edge trim for 5/16 up to 1¼ inch panel. Install FM recessed reveal horizontal rail, ALT, RRS622-1. Install vertical trim FM RRS621. If the panel height is more than 36 inch, then install the mid-wall rail before panel installation. Install mid-wall clip GEN041. Notice that the panel comes with clearly designating panel number in one corner. Reference the shop drawings and install panels according to the design. Panel comes with panel clips attached at the back of the panel. Place the panel against the wall so that the clips are above each respective trim, and set the panel into its joints. Face mounting panel clip 022. Set the next panel. Repeat this for all bottom panels. Continue this way, to the end of the wall. This is non-progressive system. So random installation can be done, but for ease of installation go from bottom to top. As this is non-progressive system, any panel can be installed or uninstalled individually. Assemble WCS160 wainscot clip with panels. Install WCS462 wainscot cap. At WPS, satisfied clients are our #1 priority. To best serve you, our customer service representative is available during business hours, and we are hands-on. Our face mounting system products installation advisor is out standby. This trusted advisor is ready to answer any question, assist with any install, and provide us with support. Thank you for watching WPS, our face mounting system, and hope we contribute to your benefit. Please visit us at our website and see more systems installation video and products.